Good day, everyone. Welcome to Teacher Fina Lesson in Math. Today, our lesson is all about the greatest common factor of the number. The objective of lesson: determine the greatest common factor of two or more whole numbers. Let's start. In getting the greatest common factor of a number, we can use the making a list method or the listing method. The second one is the prime factorization through the use of the factor tree and continuous division. Let's start with this problem. 24 grade 5 students and 32 grade 6 students in our school are chosen to participate in the UN parade. The principal wants them to form a pattern with rows with their grades. What will be the greatest number of students in each row? To answer this, we find the greatest common factor of the given numbers. We're going to use the listing method. Listing method is we're going to list all the factors of the given number. We have 24 and 32. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. The common factor are 1, 2, 4, and 8. As you can see, the greatest common factor is no other than 8. So 8 is the greatest common factor of 24 and 32. Let's have more example. We have 12, 16, and 48. So list down all the factors of 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. We have 16. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And 48, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. As you can see, class, the greatest common factor of 12, 16, and 48 is no other than 4. Let's try to answer this one, 56 and 64. So list down all the factor of 56. We have 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, and 56. The factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. As you can see on the list, the greatest common factor of 56 and 64 is no other than 8. Let's try to use the prime factorization. Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. Let's start with this factor 3. We have 24 and 32. 24, the factors are 4 times 6. Expressed to the prime number, 4 we have 2 times 2. 6 we have 2 times 3. Let's proceed with 32. We have 4 times 8. 4 is 2 times 2. And 8 is 2 times 4. Express 4 because that's a composite number. 4 is 2 times 2. Now, let's encircle the common factor between 24 and 32. We have 2, 2, 2, and let's list here on our screen. We have 24, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That's a prime factorization. 32, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. As you can see, the common factors are aligned. You have 2 times 2 times 2. After that, we're going to multiply the common factor. We have 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. So, that is the greatest common factor of 24 and 32. Let's have more example. We have 42 and 77. The factors of 42, we have 2 times 21. 21 is a composite number, so expressed as a prime number. 21 can be 3 times 7 as a factor. 77, we have 7 times 11. What is a common factor? We have 7. So because that is the only common on both 42 and 77, that is the greatest common factor of 42 and 77. Let's try to answer this one, 40 and 80. Factors of 40, we have 4 times 10. 4 and 10 are composite numbers, so we're going to express 4 is 2 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5. We have 80, 4 times 40, 4, the factors are 2 times 2. 40, we have 2 times 10. And 10 is 2 times 5. Okay, after that, we're going to list the prime factorization. 40, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. We have 80, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 2. So we're going to align the common. You have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. After that, you're going to multiply. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 is equal to 40. 40 is the greatest common factor of 40 and 80. That is all about the factor 3. And the third one, we're going to use the continuous division, or also called as the repeated division. So the given numbers are 12 and 24. Divide with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Again, divide with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Divide with the prime number again, 3 and 6. So we can use 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's it. No other number we can divide with 1 and 2, so we're going to stop. Get all the common divisor. We have 2, 2, and 3. So after that, you're going to multiply. 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 12. That's why 12 is the common factor of 12 and 24, or the greatest common factor of 12 and 24. Let's have more example. We have 45 and 75. Think of a prime number you can divide with both 45 and 75. That is 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 75 divided by 5 is 15. 9 and 15, we can divide 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So there's no other number we can divide with both 3 and 5, so we're going to stop. Multiply the common divisor, which is 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So 15 is the greatest common factor of 45 and 75. To summarize our lesson today, these are the ways in getting the greatest common factor of the number. The first one is making a list method, or the listing method. And the second one is the prime factorization through the use of factor 3 and continuous division. That's all for today. I hope you learned something and you understand our lesson. See you again next time. Bye!